All right there, YouTube. Phone King here with a video. Going to be unboxing a long anticipated microphone, new toy for my base station, Delta M2 in the black chrome. So I just got home. My first attempt to, my first look at it. Got a set of batteries here. 9-volt batteries, by the way, from what I understand it takes. All right, so here we go. Let's see what kind of bits we got. Oh yeah, this is an adapter because this is a 4-pin microphone, and I need to put it into it needs to adapt to a 6-pin for the Ranger. Okay. Now this comes with a power supply, so that you don't have to use a battery. But I talked to a lot of people that said that when you use the power supply, there's a static that seems to come through the microphone. They said to use the 9-volt battery instead. That's why I got these. So, okay. See if you guys saw that. There's the power supply that comes with it. Let's see what kind of voltage this has. Just out of curiosity. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's a 9-volt, yep. Just like the battery. Duh. I gotta figure that one out. Okay, foam block packing, I suppose. All right, here we go. Okay, that's that. Nothing else left in the box. It's well packaged, I'll say that much. Well, these things are brand new. I like to stretch them out. Otherwise, you can't go far from the base station. All right. Oh, wow. That looks nice. That looks pretty cool. Yep, that's adjustable. Look at that. That is really cool. Okay, you got 2 knobs and a push to talk. And you have a modulation meter, which is just for looks. They're not very accurate. Yeah, we've got tone, and we have modulation, and then we have push to talk and a lock. Alrighty, so I just got to figure out where the battery goes, and then I'll be all right. Oop, gotta screw it. So guys, I'm going to pause you because I'm going to have to go get some tools so that I can take care of this. Be back in a minute. Oh, in a second in your timeline. All right, I'm back, guys. Got a couple of screwdrivers. So, I'm going to go ahead and get this battery in here. Got the radio on because I'm going to ask a couple of locals that I talked with to kind of help me get it set up because they both have the same mic, or at least I think one of them does, and also I can get an idea of how I sound too. Share that with everybody on YouTube. Okay. Probably do that. It does have a little latch on here to hold the battery. See, it stays on the door. Little brackets there to hold it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but dang, I put the cover back in there. Okay. Small screws. I'm not good with small screws. With these big sausages for fingers, I tend to lose things that way. not going to work out this way. Let's try with the screwdriver's just too tiny. All right. There's supposed to be a switch to turn it on and off. I do not know where it is. Oh, okay. I suppose there ain't a switch. Just go ahead and power it up. From what I understand, it doesn't use any battery unless it's keyed up. So, here, oh yeah, the modulation meter works. Look at that. Wow, it swings nice. Okay, I'm putting both the tone and the module all the way down. CQ, CQ. Audio, no, nothing. You know that's not going to produce anything. So I'm going to go halfway up on both and key up. Audio, audio. That swings real nice. All right, so I'm going to see if I can catch my friends on the radio here. Get myself on frequency. How about you there, 501 in Orlando, 9066, sending a wave. Oh, okay. Do you mind if we step up to a quieter channel? I want to get my mic on there and kind of get this tuned in. All right, let me go look and see what's empty, and I'll let you know.
Where we were yesterday.
Got you. Okay.
You there?
Yeah, I got you. Let me give me some audio. I want to tune you in. My radio's still warming up.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio.
All right, I got you. I was just a hair off there. All right. I've also got the camera rolling because I'm going to be video gating. You don't mind doing that, right?
I don't care. Did you get your mic?
Yeah, I wouldn't be doing this otherwise. Yeah, I got the mic, and I did an unboxing, and I put the battery in it. Now I'm going to go ahead and hook it up to the radio.
All right, rock and roll. Go ahead.
All right. These fingers are so big of mine there, YouTube, and I have a hard time with little things, like these little mic jacks and stuff. Oh. I did not know that when you pull the mic out, it shuts the unit off. Oh, well, I'll get them back. Let's get set up. Well, we got to make sure we're going the right way here. Yep. Yeah, this goes from a Cobra style 4-pin. And the Ranger is a 6-pin because it has the stock mic has the up and down buttons on the mic, which is kind of cool. I'm gonna miss that feature, but I think I can set this up where I can put a little switch on here to do that, and I'll be able to do it on this mic, which would be kind of cool. Okay, fire that back up.
Yeah, you got to put the battery in it first.
Okay. Audio check. Audio check.
All right. Did you hear what I said? Set your gain and your tone to 5. Both of them to 5.
No, I didn't because I had the battery in and all of that, but when I disconnected my stock mic, the radio shut off. I think it's a safety feature. So go ahead and start from the beginning.
Okay, you're on the Delta 2?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you definitely sound better. The tone, set it to 5, and the modulation, set it to 5, and see what, and just talk to me.
Yeah, I kind of already had it there, so that's where it is. How does it sound?
Sounds good. All right. Put the tone to 7. Just the tone.
Okay, that's the tone to 7, and I'm kind of stepping away from the mic. I don't want to have my face in it. It was the whole point of getting this mic.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that made you pitchier. So now try 4. Number 4.
How's that? That's 4 on the tone.
All right, just put it back to 5.
Okay, how's that sound?
Now, 4 sounded a little bit better.
Okay, how about that?
Yeah, that gives you a little bit more mid-range. All right, now turn your modulation up to, say, like 6.
Okay, modulation is up to 6.
That sounds good. Try 7 for a second.
Modulation at 7.
All right. Oh, wow, you got a mic gain on the radio, don't you?
Yes, I do. What do you think? Right now I've got it at the 3 o'clock position.
Turn the mic gain all the way up on the radio.
Okay, that's mic gain all the way up on the radio.
Okay, and you still at a 7 on the modulation?
Yeah, 7 on the modulation on the mic.
All right, and how far away from the mic are you?
I'd say about 13 inches.
Hey, you sound good. You sound good. Just keep talking that way. You're nice a lot. You're definitely louder and much clearer, and you got more mid-range and bass in your audio.
Awesome. Okay, so we'll leave it at this for now, and we'll tweak it as we go along. How's that sound?
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, I leave the mic gain on the radio up all the way, and use that. Just use the modulation and control on the mic. This way, you know, the radio's putting out everything it needs to.
I agree. It's a lot easier too to set it over here by the mic instead of reaching all the way over to the radio.
Roger. Well, there you go. I like the way it sounds.
Awesome. I wish I knew what it sounded like. Maybe one day we'll do a little video, and if you guys could send it to me, and then this way I'll know what I sound like. All right, there. Give me a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and end the video for YouTube, and then we'll pick this up.
48 New York. Well, your audio sounds great. I mean, the microphone's working good, man. No problems whatsoever. You're definitely louder than you were, and it's much clearer than it was.
Awesome. That was more my concern. I wanted it to be clear and pronounced. You know, the loudness. Nah, that's not that important. Because sometimes an over loud radio just doesn't sound right.
No, you don't have that problem. It's nice and clear. It's perfect. 148 New York is calling for you. Why don't you give him a shout?
How about you there, 148 in New York, 966, Central Florida, sending a wave.
Yeah, we're just sitting here listening to the conversation a little bit there.
Ah, thanks for the flowers there, 948. Yeah, it's a new microphone there, and a local friend of mine here is helping me get it tuned in. But he says it sounds good, so and you're saying it's pretty good. I'm satisfied. I like the microphone.
Yeah, well, we're just RCI 2950 here. Nothing fancy on this end. RCI 2950 with a stock mic.
Yeah, I have the 2995 DXCF, and I had the stock mic, but now I put the Delta M2 on here, and supposedly it sounds much better, clearer, and all of that.
Yeah, we hear nice radio. Yeah. All right, well, we'll let you guys pick up your cue set here. We just said we tell you that you're sounding pretty good over here in New York. So we're about 90 miles north of New York City up here in the Catskill Mountains.
Oh, wow. My sister lives up in Glen Falls.
Yeah, Glen Falls.
Yeah, but you're in that general area. I know the area. All right, there, 948 in New York, 966 Central Florida. Personal is Johnny. Signing off.
Boy, oh boy. you boys and their toys. It sounds good, man. That's the same mic, the same radio that Phil's got, and you heard the difference when you went over to that one. So it was worth the money, man. Sounds good.
All right. Give me a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the YouTube and say goodbye to the channel.
Okay.
All right, there, YouTube. That's about all I can think of for this here unboxing and review. So far, so good. You guys heard it from people on the radio. So you got any comments, post them down below. If you got any questions, by all means, post them down below. And please, if you could, like and subscribe. All right, Johnny from Foam King, signing off. Have a great day.